In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install latest version of Android Studio. First open a browser and type here Android Studio download. Now go to the first result, download Android Studio. Click here and here is a button, download Android Studio Ladybug. Click on this button and read the terms and conditions and scroll this page, and at the last tick here I have read and agree with above terms and conditions. Now click on download Android Studio Ladybug. Click on this button and your download started here. This is almost 1.1 GB data. Now download has finished. Now click on this folder icon, show in folder. Click here or go to the download folder. And this is our Android Studio setup. So double click on this now click yes and click on next and select both Android Studio and Android virtual device. Click on next and click on next. Now click on install button. Now your installation is being. Now you can show the details here. Now our installation is completed and click on next button and tick on start Android Studio and click on finish. Now Android Studio is starting and you can choose here option to send statics for Android Studio. send or don't send. You can choose any. Now click on next button here and keep the standard mode and click on next, and now click on next. Now select the Android SDK licenses and click on accept button here. Tick here, and now select here Intel Android extra licenses. Select this and click on accept button here. Now our finish button is visible, so click on finish. So here is the downloading some components. So stay connected with internet, and it will take almost 8 to 10 GB internet data, and it will depend on your internet speed. So please be patient. It's a look like stuck, but keep patience. File is downloading and file size is very big, so keep patience. It is depend on your internet connection and internet speed. Now component downloading has completed, so click on finish. Now you can create your first project. So click on new project, click here, and first select empty views activity. Do not select empty activity, select empty views activity and click on next, and give the project name here and give the package name here and select location from here, and now select the language, Kotlin or Java, you can choose any, and select your build configuration language. So keep this Kotlin DSL, this is recommended. Now click on finish. Now your first project is building. Yeah, so this will need for some internet data, and this is the document about new version of Android Studio. So read this. Here is the importing some of the Gradle file. So please wait until project builds successfully. successfully. And here is our project file. Here is a Gradle script. Now run our project and test the emulator is working or not. So click on this green arrow, click here. So here is a message connecting to the emulator. So our emulator is initializing. So our emulator is loaded successfully. So launching our app in device, our first project. And this is our first app. So our app is working perfectly. Now you can create your Android apps. So thank you for watching this video.